When I heard about the MBA at AUIS, I thought it's going to be challenging since it's an intensive program and you also have to work at the same time. But with time management and good study planning, I could successfully manage it. The program is designed in such a way that you can work, study and have time for your family as well. The MBA also allows you to excel in your careers, to focus on class discussion, teamwork and giving pitches. Because of my journey, I'm the Executive Assistant to the Vice President of Academic Affairs. I'm also a Library Manager at AUIS. I absolutely recommend the MBA for anyone who wants to improve their career, develop their professional skills, and have interpersonal growth.
This program is run during the weekends. You can work and attend the program, enhance your knowledge and application of knowledge, and use the program knowledge and the degree to enhance your career.
Doing a practical work and having a first-hand experience is a huge part of this MBA program, which I think that will help us in the future and boosting our career.